Idli. Ingredients: white rice, black gram, salt, coconut oil. Place the idli maker on the gas stove and add enough water. Light the gas stove. Let the water boil. Add salt to the batter and stir well. Now oil the idli plates. Pour the batter with a ladle onto the oiled pits of the idli plate. Place the idli plates in an idli maker and close the lid. Let it cook for some time. When the steam starts coming out, switch off the gas. Open the lid and take out the idli plates after checking if it is well cooked. Wait for a few minutes so that the idlis are slightly cooled so that it comes off easily. Take the idlis from the plate with the tail end of a spoon or a spatula. Serve with sambar or chutney.